Morning, family. Ham's Loft. It's 6 something in the morning. Got a good sunny day. We got 58 birds. We're gonna toss from the exact same location from yesterday, which is a little under a mile. I think it's 0.8, but we're definitely gonna let them out, see what they do. They've been sitting in there for a couple of minutes. Gonna give them a couple more minutes, and then we're just gonna let them go, do their thing. So everybody came home yesterday, so. Okay, let's let them out, see what they do, okay? We got them, there they go. Shit, I guess they're going the right way quick. We had a couple of strays that didn't fly with the group, but it looks like they all went the same way. I don't see them no more. Let me get everything ready. Take home.
For up to 100 employees. Business owners love the simplicity, the price.
They didn't cross over in front of me, but I did see them. Just there they go. I was trying to get the picture, but oh well. Had to hit pause. I think they might just beat me home. They still going the right way, but they just, I'm quite sure they can probably see the house. Let me put y'all on pause. They beat me home. Ain't that some shit? Well, we're jumping them all. There they go. I'm pulling in and they right there. Yep. That's the bulk of them. They go 3 at the tip top. They was probably flying longer. All right, fam. This is the quickie. Just a quick toss. We had all 58 that I counted this morning. I didn't want to count them last night because I had to put them in the crates this morning. Okay, I see 1 or 2 panting, not hardly any of them doing anything. So I know this is too short for them, and they know their way home. So tomorrow we're going to try to toss them at least 1.5 miles, I think it is. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace. Thanks for watching the channel. Thank you.